Person to person and man to man, I'm back in touch with my long lost friend. Listen to reason and understand, and think of me from way back when. He said me and Melissa, well, we fell out of love, ran out of luck, seems like the lightning struck. I've been thinking of leaving, but I can't raise a buck. James, I'm wondering, could I borrow your truck? I said, that's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here.
Got no better reason. That's why I'm standing before you.
That's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here. John's gone, found dead. He dies high as brown bread. Later said to have drowned in his bed. After the laughter, the wave of dread, it hits us like a ton of lead. It seems learn not to burn means to turn on a dime and walk on if you're walking, even if it's an uphill climb. Try to remember that working's no crime. Just don't let them take and waste your time. That's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here.
There'll be no more message tonight. That's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, that's why I'm here. This is an IOU. I reckon I owe you one now. Listen, Wendy, and listen, Glory. This'll be better tomorrow. Oh, fortune and fame, such a curious game. Perfect strangers can call you by name and pay good money to hear fire and rain again and again and again. Oh, it's summer like summer, coming back every year. Got your baby, got your blanket, got your bucket of beer. I break into a grin from ear to ear, and suddenly it's perfectly clear. That's why I'm here tonight, singing tonight, tomorrow, and every day. That's why I'm standing.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, that's why I'm here. This is the part about Kitty and Bill. He loved her and she loved him. Wake 'em up, shake 'em up, the middle of the night. Got to tell me everything's alright. I said, that's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here.
Got me walking and talking like a natural man. That's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here.
That's why I'm here. That's right. Once upon a time, a good friend of mine told me to tell you what I say today. Do the things that keep a smile on her face. Say the words that make her feel better every day. Yeah. You better keep on your P's and Q's. If you don't, woman, you could easily lose. Whoa, 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 whoa. I had love, a true love, and I lost it. No one seems to understand about the pain that it cost me. The woman got to have it. I believe that I should know. She got to know that she's needed around. When you kiss her, you got to make her feel it every day, boy. was a true love and I lost it. Now I'm suffering all this pain that the true love cost me. A woman got to have it, I believe. She got to know that she's needed around. When you kiss her, you got to let her feel it every day, boy. Whoa, she got to know that she's not walking on shaky ground. Yeah. So if you've got a love, maybe you got eyes to keep her. You got to give her what she wants when she wants it.